Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 7 of Foundation of Shorthand. For this lesson, you will learn the left S, the P, B, and short and soft U. So this is the outline for the left S. Okay, as you can see, it is a mirror image of the comma S. Now, the question is, why do we have two symbols for the S sound? It is because the S sound is a frequent sound, or it is a frequent letter. So it must always join curves in the same direction of the next sound or of the next outline, so that it can form a straight stroke and with a sharp angle. So for example, seems. We have here SEMS. So for the first S, I have used the comma S because it joins perfectly the second curve of E sound, right? So imagine if I have used the left S, then the direction would be going to the left, and it should not be the case. So again, SEMS seems. And the joining patterns will become clear through reading and writing practice. Okay. But for now, it is good that you know that there are two symbols for S, the left S and the comma S. So we continue now. NAMS names, NEDS needs, LEDS leads, RITS writes, NIS nice, DAS days, DESK desk disk, LES ing leasing. Then we have LEST list, RASD raised, SALS sales, REDRS readers, in KRES increase, MOST most. Okay, next is the P symbol. For the P, we use a medium size downward curve. Example, PA, pay, PAS, pace, pass, PLES, please, PLAS, place, SPAS, space, PES, piece, PAPR, paper, PEPL, people, PIP, pipe, P-R-I-S, price. P-O-S-T, post. Again, P-O-S-T, post. H-O-P, hope. O-P-N-S, opens. D-S-P-I-T, despite. And capital P-O-L, Paul. Okay. Now we have the sound of B. So for the sound of B, it is a long downward left curve. Example, BAS, base. BAST, based. BEST, best. BI, by. BA, bay. BETS, bits. BEDS, beds. BETR, better. BE, big. LABL, label. BLAM, blame. BRIT, bright. BR, sorry, BREF, brief. Again, BREF, brief. BOT, bought, boat. NABR, neighbor. Okay. Now we move to the short and soft U. Short and soft U, as in up. That's the sound of short and soft U, as in up. So we say UP, up. Again, UP, up. NUMBR, number. DUS, does. ENUF, enough. MUST, must. US, us. BUK, book. BUKS, books. KUK, cook. KUKBUK, cookbook. FUT, foot. PUT, put. P-U-L, pool. T-U-K, took. Okay, so that's it for lesson 7. Again, we have discussed the short and soft sound of U, sound of B, sound of P, and the left S. So the left S, P, and B, no, all of their outlines is a left curve, no, differentiated by sizes. Okay, so that's it for lesson 7. See you in lesson 8.